Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers who make great quality products. Let's dive into digital manufacturing systems. Tools like Tascus can monitor production processes in real time, providing valuable data and insights into performance, production rates, and potential bottlenecks. For you, this can enable quick decision making and proactive issue resolution. But automation is another big win. By automating repetitive tasks and time-consuming tasks, reduces human error, and it frees up skilled workers so they can work on more value-added activities. And by integrating digital systems with existing machinery and software, it enhances efficiency across the entire production line. But let's not forget about predictive maintenance. Using digital tools to monitor equipment health and predict failures before they can happen. By doing this, it reduces downtime and maintenance costs and ensures that your equipment is operating at peak efficiency. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article on our blog. There you'll find more insights and valuable content to fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.